A man, his surname was Singh. Okay. He was resting in a park. Because when you rest on the bench in a park, what happens is you take up more than one space, you know. So one person came to him and told him, "Are you relaxing?" Now he thought this man is asking me, "Is your name Relax and your surname Singh? You know, are you relaxing?" He says, "No sir, I am Dilip Singh." And here comes another man. He says, "Are you relaxing?" Within a minute, another man, "Are you relaxing?" He says, "No sir, I am Dilip Singh." And a third man, "Are you relaxing?" He says, "No sir, I am Dilip Singh." So he decided, like I told you, no patience. He got up and he walked away. So he walked right to the other side of the park and he saw another man. He saw another man lying down and he said, "This might be the one." So he tells him, "Are you relaxing?" He says, "Yes." He says, "They're looking for you on the other side." Imam, he was so upset that he told them, "You know what? You people are hassling me so much, harassing me. One day I'll leave you in sujood and I'll disappear." And so they thought it was a joke. This foolish Imam actually did it. He went in sajda and he prolonged the first one. So when he prolonged the first one and he came up from it after a long time, people thought, okay, this man has got a long sajda today. He went in for the next one. When he noticed everyone is down, he went out of the trap door in the front of the mihrab and he was gone. But it was nice chatting with you. I promised to do this little filter. Let's see how it works. MashaAllah. Oh, subhanallah. Wow, that worked. I better turn it off. How do you switch it off, bro? There it goes. Oh, mashallah. There it goes. No, not that. There we are. Okay. Sorry. That we were just testing it out to see how it looks like. I promise you it's something. Oh, once I was sitting on an aircraft and I have a lot of time on an airplane. And I had an atheist sitting next to me and we were talking about faith and he said, "You guys are very bad. The Muslims." I said, "No, you get good and bad in every faith." He said, "Not Islam." I'm saying, "What do you mean?" He said, "Islam, everyone's bad. You believe in Quran?" I said, "Yeah, Quran, we believe in Quran." He says, "This Quran, it's got bad things in it." I said, "What?" He says, "You know, it says that anyone who's not a Muslim is going to hellfire. That is very bad. You guys are filled with hatred. You guys." I said, "Brother, you don't believe in hellfire. Why are you worried?"